Hello everyone, my name is Olu. Welcome to my channel where I share strategies and ideas on how you can create and publish your own book on KDP Amazon. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a mass worksheet using Canva. Today I just want to create a mass worksheet for my students because I love creating worksheet for them. My students have been working on addition, so I teach kids from 6 to 12 years old, but today I'm only going to be creating an addition worksheet for maybe 6 to 8 year old, the third grader. Okay, so before we start, we need to go on Canva so we can start creating our worksheet. The first thing we need to do is to go on Google, and because I already have a Canva on my page here, so I will just go straight on Canva, and I'm already created a Canva account. But if you haven't, then you need to go on Google and create your own Canva on your own Canva page, and just register, and it's a free app. Just go and create your own Canva page. Okay, so we are going to start by going to create a design. When you're on Canva, you go straight to the where it says create a design. Here you click on it, then you click on the custom, because my own custom size is here. We're going to click on custom dimension because I already know what I want to do, but I will show you. We are going to change it. We need to change this to inches first before we can put the numbers of the size we want. Today I'm making 8 by 5 inches, 8.5 by 11 inches. That's the book I am making today. So you go after that, after you put the size you want in the boxes, you click create, and it will take you to a blank page on Canva. So we have a blank page now, so I'm going to change this color because it's white. I'm changing it to gray, so I'm going to go to the here and click on background, change the background color. So I'm going to change it to gray so you can see what I am doing. So I'm changing it to gray. Later on I'm going to change it back to white, but I'm only doing this so that you can see what I am doing. So now that we have that, change it to light gray so you can see what I'm working on. We are going to start by adding text. So we're going to go to this side here and click on text. So we're gonna start with this add text body here. So what we're going to start with, since we're making a worksheet for children, you start by typing the name. You write name, you type the name for the children so that they can fill in their name, and just make a line where they can put their name. So here you put it up here like how it shows on most worksheets. So then we're going to decrease, or I think that's a good size. Let's see, we're gonna maybe decrease it to 18 because we have a lot of things to cover on here. So we decrease it. Don't worry if you can't see it, you will see it. Let me zoom in out so you can see what I'm doing. So you can see the name here now, and yeah, don't worry about the margin. It's just for me to know because I put it on most of my books so that to know, so that I won't go over the margin, so that it won't be rejected on Amazon. Anyway, so let's keep going. Now we're going to add another text. We're going to go back to the text and add another text, and we are going to start with number 1. We're going to put number 1 here. we're going to put number 1 here. Oh, we need to write what our yes, let's just put number 1 because this is our number 1. So we do 1, you write 1, that's the first equation. So you may want to put it, you may want to move it to the top here as well. So this is the first page. Okay, so this is where we're going to be making our addition worksheet. Okay, so now let's go over to the should we do, let's do picture 1 first. I just want to show you. So we go to elements and then to find some pictures. So we could find a picture of animals. You could go to, yeah, this is element, you just type animals, since we're making for children, math for children, just to be visual. Type animals. We could use look for the ones that you think your student like and just use. I think let's go to we can use this monkey, and use this monkey. Yeah, we are making, yes, so we use this monkey, or let's see if we can use something else. Let's see if we can use something else very small. Let's keep going and see if we can see a little bit of let's see if we can do. This one gave us oh, I can see fish here. Let's use the fish. I think might want to use the fish. By the way, this is for younger kids that are just learning addition, so because they learn by visual, so we can duplicate by pressing the 3 dot by your right and duplicate the fish, as many as you want. Now we have, how many fish do we have here? We have, let's make it, because I'm only showing you, so is yeah. So we have 3 fishes here. So and this other side we add 2, so we could say to them we put addition. Let's go back to test and just see if we can find you put this in the middle. You need to move it to the middle so you can get your addition symbol in there, because really we're doing addition. And later I forgot, supposed to label it addition to solve the problem. I'm gonna do direction in a minute. Just let me find the addition sign and just put addition. Do I have that there? So we need to make it big so we can see. So that's that. So now you go back to test, and you are going to do here you're gonna put the sign equation. Okay, it's out of the box. We'll bring it back. So let's bring it back, make it bigger so you can bring it back. Yeah, it's tricky, or you can do this, make it bigger. It's because I'm showing you when you're doing your one, you need to take your time. I know it takes time because I need to show you this. When you're doing your one, it will be much easier. Like I said, we need to write directions, so I have to move this up here. So I need to get another text box and write direction, what I need them to do. And I'm going to write solve the problem. Yeah, so that's the and also I think I need to move this back down so there'll be enough room. It's too crowded there, so move it back, and you can make the fish small or more than this. Move it back, and you move it back like that. That's the number. You move everything back. There are other ways you can do it, but this is for the beginners, just in case, so that I'm doing it step by step so that you would know what to do when it's your time. This is actually good because it's smaller now. Make it small. Let's make this small too, so there will be enough room. Yeah, we make and the equal sign next to it. We make this small. Yeah. Okay, I think, yeah, you can do that. You take your time, just make it smaller, each one smaller. So each one smaller. The ways you can make it smaller, you can make one smaller, then so they will be the same size. So you make it smaller, then you can duplicate it, then that means you will have the same size. So, but I'm just showing you how to do this. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so now I want to put the direction here, so the name can stay at the top there, but maybe move it down a bit. Then, because this is an addition worksheet, so we need to label it addition. So that's addition. You can make it darker if you want by clicking this and just clicking on the bold to make it a bit bold. Yeah, so now we have our addition. The direction can come here and addition can come here, and then in the middle, make sure you can see the lines that is showing. Canva is very good. They show you how to those lines shows you see, can you see the pink red line? It shows you where the middle is, so that your text can be in the same. So now what we do now, so that we can have more of this, is to group them. You go back to the double thingy here and you group them, yeah, so you can duplicate them. So now you can duplicate them as many as you want. See, so you don't have to go over it so again. Yeah, so now we have as many as we want on the page. You keep clicking it. It's as easy as that. But all you need now is to change the number to 2. Change this to 2. Change this to 2. And you change this to number 3. Change this to number 3. And oops, let's go back. It's okay. I change it to 3. Then we change the other one to 4. Sorry, to 4. Now you can add more fish if you want more fish. So let's go back to element and add more fish to each side if you want. Okay, you duplicate it, go back there again, so you can duplicate, so you can get more fishes that you want, so you can distribute it. There are other ways, obviously, but I just want to quickly show you this way. Then as you do it all the time, you'll be able to find another way. Let's add more here. Let's add more here. It's tricky because they're small, but as you practice all the time, you will definitely get the hang of it. Let's add more. So you can add as many as you want here to the fish. So now see, we finished our page. So we are going to double this by we are going to make another page by clicking here to make double, but this is not what we want, so we're going to delete we're going to delete this one because we want to make a 3-digit mass. So we delete this or just take it out of it. So we want to make a 3-digit mass for the next page. So let's go over to the element again. No, let's do the text. We're gonna start by clicking the text here again to make you go to the text. Yeah, we've done the so that we can put on okay. So what we're doing now is to start making we'll start making another worksheet. The top number we're going to we've already done that, so let's change our equation. The top number is going to be, we're going to start with the number 1 again. Oops. Yeah, we go to the text. Yes, so we are going to write number 1 again here, since we're making another type of equation, and this can be for year 3, year 4. So because we're making 3 digits 2 to 3 digit number. Okay, so let's start with number 1. Then just going to be this one is going to be like a vertical. Let's move this number to 1. This is a vertical a number equation. Okay, so we are going to be making 2 and 3 digits number, maybe equation. So our first equation is going to be 597. So we go back to the text, here. So we're going to click on the text. It's already here. So we're going to write number 5. Since we're making another equation. Your equation can be anything you want. Make it bigger so you can see what you're doing. Then underneath it, you click on you add your plus sign. Then you make sure you drag it to the not yet. So don't drag it yet. So we are adding 597 plus 346. We write 46. Okay, so this is our first equation, and since we want to make sure that they are on the same line, oops, we'll go back. Let's do our plus again. We lost our plus. It's okay, we can get it back. That's not equation, so Control C. Yeah, so we have our plus, but we want to move our numbers. No, we go back, we move our numbers. We need to move the top one so it can be on the same side. Yeah, that's it. So if we want to get our underline, if you want to underline the number, so what we're going to do is we are going to highlight the bottom row, and we are going to go back to the three dots, and we're going to go to underline, and we underline. See, we have it done. So make it smaller now. Yes, we make it smaller so we can have a few on that page, and that's as easy as it is. We put it back to number 1. So this is our first equation. So I'm not sure if this is 1. That's number one. We do number one, yeah, that's number one. So now that we have this, we click on them and go here on the 3 digits and duplicate it. We want three more of this, so we click 1, 2, 3. So we remember we have to number it. Actually, let's have more pages, but we need to change all the numbers, remember, all the equations, so we don't have the same. You get the angle of it. Yes, double click it again, and there we have 6. It's as easy. Now you've created a worksheet of 3 digits equation. So now that we have that, we need to number it, so we make sure they're on the same line there. To do that, to get them to be, you can do it yourself by using your eyes, which is what I do, but the other way is to use the tidy up thingy here. I'm not going to do that, so you go to the tidy up thing, and where is it? It's okay, so you go here, I think. So go here and do the tidy position. Oh, we need to group it first before we can see that. So this is where now you will see the tidy up thing. This is it. This is it, but I don't want to use that, so I'm gonna go back. I don't want to use that. I'm gonna ungroup it. Okay, that's it. It's done. So now I'm going to yes, group it for me. I don't want to group it anymore, so that's fine. So I want to ungroup it. I'm going to ungroup it. Where is it? Okay, when you're trying to show people things on group, it doesn't work. Ungroup. Okay, I have ungrouped it now, I think. Yeah, it's better they're all by themselves. So now I'm going to go back to text, because this video is already going too long, because I'm showing you it's taking a long time. So go back to text, find the text and number each of your equation. So this is number 2. Ooh, that's another. Let's do this. Let's make it easy for ourselves. Let's do this by duplicating it, so it'll be much easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all you need to do is to put them each on each side, and then you can change the numbers when you finish putting them on each side, like so. Okay, so now we need to change it to number 2, and this will be our number 3, number 4 here. I'm sure you will be much more better when you're drawing your one. It might looks like it's I made a mistake there. This is supposed to be 4 and this is 5. It might look like it's a hard work, but when you get the hang of it, it's so easy. So don't forget, we need to change our paper, our background to white. So it's white. So see, you can see, you can tidy up better than I did, because I know you can do better than I did. So now you have addition worksheets for 2 different grades. So you can use this for your grade 1 student, or year 1, or reception children in the UK, and you can use this for year 3, year 4. Yes, so now you know how to do. I've shown you in this video how to create a math worksheet from scratch, how to create a printable additional worksheet on Canva. So you can do better than this. So that That's just how to do that. And yes, of course, if you want to download it, you go to the download thing and you make sure it's PDF. You click on PDF and just click download here, and that's it, and it will download it. It will download it for you, and it will be showing download, and I will show you how it looks after downloading. So yeah, I don't know what happened. We'll do it again. Okay, so just want to show you how it's downloaded, and this is your download, which you can print. See, you just did this by yourself on Canva. Yeah, very easy. That's the end of how to create a printable additional worksheet on Canva.